Hey there! So, today we're diving into a common problem that many of us have encountered at some point. The problem at hand involves creating a shortcut on your system that opens multiple websites in a single new window with Firefox. You tried using specific start parameters to achieve this, but ran into a roadblock when Firefox was already running. The websites were not opening as tabs in the same window as desired. Frustrating, right? But fret not. We have a solution up our sleeves. Let's delve into the solution now. By experimenting with different options, we discovered a neat trick. Instead of relying on the new window or new tab options, try starting Firefox from the command line and simply inputting the 3 URLs you want to open. Yes, it's as straightforward as that. By running the command $Firefox electronics to stackexchange.com superuser.com meta.stackexchange.com, you'll witness the magic unfold. Voila! A new Firefox window will grace your screen, housing all 3 websites within tabs, just what you wished for. To wrap things up, we've successfully cracked the code to seamlessly opening multiple websites in a single window in Firefox. A simple command line input is all it takes to achieve this feat. Problem solved, solution implemented. It's time to bid adieu. If you enjoyed this video and found the information helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tech tricks, and leave a comment below. Remember, sharing is caring in the digital realm. Until next time, happy browsing!